Hello, parents! Listen, I know that you really want your child to be strong in math and you want to do everything you can to boost those math skills. We have this mentality that we have to buy stuff and spend lots of time on studying in order to be good at math. Like we have to buy workbooks from the store and spend hours sitting at the kitchen table toiling over those workbooks, or we have to sign up for all these educational apps and put our kids in front of a screen for a long time while they're working on those apps to boost their math skills. But that's not true. And in this YouTube video, I am going to give you 3 math games that you can do in less than 5 minutes. No screens, no workbooks. You don't even need anything to play these games. Are you ready? My name is Kelly, and I am the founder of Kelly's Reading and Math Club. I'm on a mission to make learning fun for every kiddo out there, no matter how they feel about their learning skills right now. I'm on a mission to build confidence, build skills in reading, writing, and math. That's what we do at Kelly's Reading and Math Club, and that is what we do on this channel. So let's get into it. 3 games that you can play anywhere with your kiddos, whether they are 6 years old, 7 years old, 8 years old, or whether they're getting ready to go into grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. These are games that you can adjust in difficulty and adjust how challenging they are. And they're games that you can play literally anywhere, on a walk, at the park, sitting at the dinner table, and you don't need anything. I mean, nothing to play these games. All you need is a little bit of fun and your own imagination. Here is the first game. The first game is called Math Detective. How we play Math Detective is just really simple. It's like this. You say to your child, I'm thinking of a number. You give them a clue. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10. Can you guess the number? Then they have a guess. Okay, if they don't get the number, you give them another clue. If you take this number and you add 1, you'll get 9. If they still don't guess it, then you give them another clue. If you take this number and you take the number 10 and you minus 2, you'll get the number I'm thinking of. Still don't guess it, then you get another clue. So you keep giving clues until your child guesses the number, of course. And it really helps them with mental math, addition, subtraction, and you can even get them to think of a number for you, and you have to guess the number, and they have to give you clues, which takes it right to the next level because now they have to think of those addition and subtraction clues, and they have to use their own mental math skills to help you guess the number. So you take turns being the math detective and guessing the number. And as you can see, it's so easy to play. All you need to do is use your imagination and think of numbers and think of clues. And you can do this game anywhere, and it can take a very short amount of time. It can take like 2 minutes to play, or you can play it for 20 minutes if you want. There's no rules about that. You just have fun with it, play it regularly, and you'll see like magic. Your child's addition, subtraction, mental math skills are going to just boost and boost and boost and boost. And you're going to be like, wow, how did you get so good at this stuff? And it's just from playing and having fun, because learning and playing, they really go hand in hand together. And kids need to be engaged and feel motivated and like they're having fun and like they want to do it in order to really make that learning happen and to make it really impactful and lasting for them. This next game is called What's the Rule? And how you play this game is you think of a number pattern and you say it to your child. So I'll take a pretty easy one. 2, 4, 6, 8. And you ask them, what's the pattern rule? And see if they can guess it. You're increasing every time by 2. And then you can make the pattern a little bit harder. You could count by 3s or by 4s. You could even add in, like, you could add in a 5 or a 10. Do like 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, and vary the pattern so that it makes it a little more challenging for them to guess. And then, of course, you can switch roles, and now they have to think of a pattern, and you have to guess the pattern that they're thinking of. And I think that they're going to really surprise you with the complexity of patterns that they come up with, especially as they play this game regularly and consistently. And again, this game takes no time at all to play. Like you can do it quickly in 2 minutes while you're standing waiting for a bus, or while you're waiting for an appointment, or while you're sitting and eating dinner. It takes absolutely no time at all. Doesn't take any screens, doesn't take any workbooks, there's no dice, there's no pencils, there's no paper. You can just play it whenever you want and have a lot of fun with it. And that is how the learning is gonna really happen for your kiddos. You'll see. All right, this game is called Place Value Challenge. It's super, super simple. All you do is come up with a 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, or beyond number, depending on what level of skills your child has and how old they are. But let's come up with a two-digit number. Let's say 57. So you give your child the number 57, and you ask them, what number is in the tens? They'll tell you 5. What number is 10 more than 57? And they'll have to think. 67. What number is 10 less? They'll have to go back down 10, 47. So they're really practicing their place value skills, addition skills, subtraction skills. If they're familiar with using a hundreds chart, you can also use that too. I know I said you don't need any materials to play these games, and you don't need any materials to play this game, but if you do have a hundreds chart at home, it is kind of fun to play with a hundreds chart as well. And then they can come up with a number for you, and they can ask you questions about that number and see if you can guess what's 10 more, what's 20 more, what's 30 more, what numbers in the tens, what numbers in the ones. Place value is a really foundational math skill. You need to know place value to do anything in math, to add, subtract, to multiply, divide. It's a really important skill to learn before you can learn the more advanced skills. So this is a great, great opportunity to build that foundational skill of place value. Again, in no time at all. This takes no time at all to play. You can play quickly while your child is going to sleep, right before bed after you've read a story. You can give them a number and ask a few questions about it, and they'll go to sleep with all this beautiful math dreams in their mind, right? So play this game consistently, regularly, play it anywhere you want, at any time of the day, and watch as your child's math skills grow and grow and grow. You're giving them that incredible math boost, and it's not even taking you any time or costing you any money. That is so amazing, right? I hope you have a lot of fun playing these math games with your kiddos. Play them all throughout the day. Play them anytime you want, whenever your child is maybe feeling a little bit bored or like they want to go on a screen. Try playing one of these math games instead and see how much they like it, how much fun they have with it, how they start using their imagination, using their math brain, how their math skills start to really build and grow. You don't need any workbooks to become really strong in math. You don't need any apps. You don't need to sit in front of an iPad all day. That's totally unnecessary. And we have to get rid of those beliefs because it's just not true. And you also don't need a lot of time. As you can see, you can do this all throughout the day. Whenever you have a tiny little bit of downtime, go ahead and play a math game with your child. It's fun. It's exciting. It uses their imagination. It really uses those down times during the day wisely so that you're actually using them and investing that time to build math skills and to build a connection with your child because you're having fun together. So this is a total win-win situation. You're having fun together. Your child's getting better at math. You're building skills. It's free. It doesn't take hardly any time at all. What could be better than that? So play these games with your child and let me know in the comments, how does it go? How did it go? Do your children like these games? Which one is their favorite? What skills are you really trying to work on with your child? And how can these games help boost those skills? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And don't forget, before you go, to check out the description box below because I have a handy PDF guide for you there with these games. So if you forget them after watching this video, which I know I would probably do, you can just download that PDF and you can keep it with you and keep it handy, and then you'll have the games with you all the time. So you'll never forget them and you'll always be able to play them. So check that out, that free PDF of these 3 awesome math games in the description box below. And I hope that you have a lot of fun learning with your kids, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone!